A large portion of paper produced from trees contributing to deforestation. Paper production uses significant natural resource, harming biodiversity and ecosystem.
Next is purpose solution. There are two of it. Firstly, greenhouse gas emission. The white paper could analyze the carbon footprint of charcoal production and consumption and propose strategies to reduce emission. Next is pollution. It could address the issue of air and water pollution associated with charcoal production and consumption and advocate for cleaner burning technologies.
I would like to explain the procedure that has been made. Firstly, there is leftover paper that can be used as charcoal. Second, wet the paper with water. Third, crush the paper properly. Fourth, make the paper into a round shape and leave it for a few minutes to get moist. Finally, put the result in a hot room and there is a fire to produce smoke for cooking.
Last but not least is the project equipment that we use, such as water, wasted paper and one bucket. And the cost of all project is RM3.01.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching.